So due to popular demand, I am making a special series just on the EKGs. The first video will be on axis deviation because everyone struggles in axis deviation and mean access, whatever, because those are pretty complicated subjects to understand. And you definitely can't understand them by looking at a guide or reading a book. You have to actually write it out, find problems, and solve the problems. I suggest Google, YouTube, whatever. You can easily find mean access practice problems, whatever. Just you have to practice these things. So the first one I'll go over is axis deviation, mean access. I'll go over the limb leads, the prechoral leads, how you form some of these leads, which are extremely important. Because if you know how to form some of these leads, or actually, if you know how to form all these leads, you know a lot of things that can affect these leads and that can lead to problems with the heart. So it's very important to know how to form them, not just memorize, oh, lead 1 is 0 degrees, but you have to know how it's formed because it's much better to know the concept. We'll go over the different ways, what they are, how to name them, which you probably know by now. Go over how to calculate heart rate, which is a very simple subject. See what else we can do. Of course, basic heart anatomy, but that's simple. Understand the anatomy, because if you understand how the heart works, everything builds on. You understand how EKGs work. We'll go over diagnosing left ventricular hypertrophy and enlargement, because those are basic things in the hearts that they look for on EKGs. And it's good because it's on every single test. So if you fail it and you screwed up on the first test, you better as hell get it right on the second test, because it's the same exact thing. It's mean access, diagnosing ventricular and hypertrophy, calculating heart rate, etc. It's all the same things. Let's see, that's will be pretty much it for EKGs. But the most important part that people have trouble with is how the leads are formed and diagnosed and doing mean access and axis deviation. Those are difficult subjects when you look at them in a book, but again, you do it a few times on a piece of paper, or you watch someone do it, it's very easy to learn. So we'll go over that in this very short video series.